Spices and nuts are the most quintessential part of every kitchen in this world, but here in India, we have the most amazing variety of them. Not only they add flavor to our meals, but they also have compounds that keeps us healthy. We all know that monsoons brings great joy to our life, but it is also a time for impaired immunity and slow digestion. It is good to take a healthy diet in this season, and we can use our spices and nuts to protect us from viral infections like cough, cold, flu, fever, and from diseases like dengue. Here's how you can include some of the spices and nuts to keep you healthy in this monsoon. Ginger. It is a great remedy for sore throat, cough, and cold, and it has gingerol as an active compound. It has great amount of antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties, and it can be consumed in crushed form in our tea, soups, and vegetables. Garlic. It is a well-known immunity booster and has allicin as an active compound. It boosts the reaction of our white blood cells against the viral infection, and we can consume it in chopped and crushed forms in our vegetables in our meals to get the benefits from them. Turmeric. The antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immunity boosting property of turmeric makes it a must-have spice for our kitchen. And the star behind all these properties is the antioxidant and the bioactive compound present in it called curcumin. It is good to take turmeric milk in this season at the bedtime to get the benefits from it. Cinnamon. It is rich in antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. Apart from boosting our immune system, it also helps us to regulate our blood sugar levels. We can add a pinch of turmeric powder and cinnamon powder to our bedtime milk so that it can help us to keep us healthy. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, cashew helps us to keep us healthy. They have macronutrients like good cholesterol, protein, and also are rich in micronutrients like riboflavin and niacin. It is good to store them in an airtight container and have a handful of them every morning empty stomach, or a handful of them in our snack breaks. Happy monsoon, stay safe, stay healthy.